If you are over 60 and this morning felt mostly fine but a little slower, the chair heavier, the stairs a bit steeper, please listen. Small hesitations add up. Strength doesn't fall in one day. It slips little by little. This isn't to scare you. It's a gentle wake-up so you can take back control with easy steps that fit real life. If simple, calm help like this is useful, please consider subscribing. I share senior-friendly tips every week. Here's your first checkpoint. Sit in a sturdy chair, cross your arms over your chest, and stand up and sit down as many times as you can in 20 seconds. No hands. If it feels tougher than it should, don't panic. Muscles respond at any age when you give them the right signal and the right fuel. That's our plan, a tiny bit of movement to wake the muscle. Then, steady, easy protein from normal foods. Start with whole eggs. 2 at breakfast, poached, soft-boiled, or lightly scrambled, give your muscles a powerful push to start building for the day. The yolk matters. It carries nutrients that help your nerves talk to your muscles and supports the on switch for muscle building. Pair your eggs with tomato or bell pepper for a bright plate, a little vitamin C, and better iron use. If mornings are rough, eat slowly, sip warm water, and take your time. This is a routine, not a race. Next, plain Greek yogurt. Think of it as now and later fuel. The quick part feeds your muscles soon after you eat. The slow part keeps a gentle stream of amino acids flowing for hours. 1 cup after a short walk or light band exercise is perfect. Another cup before bed can help protect your muscles overnight when you're not eating. Keep it simple. Stir in a spoon of chopped nuts or a sprinkle of seeds. Add a few berries for taste and a bit of color. If you're taking notes so far, tap subscribe. Small changes like these add up, and I post easy, step-by-step guidance you can follow. Lentils are your quiet workhorse. They're easy, kind to the budget, and steady. Cook a pot on Sunday. Onion, garlic, cumin, a pinch of salt, and you have ready bowls for the week. 1 cup at lunch a few days a week gives you slow, even protein and fiber that keeps blood sugar steady, which is good for muscle health. If you've had trouble digesting beans before, rinse well and cook them soft. Your stomach will thank you. Twice a week, open a small can of sardines. I know the flavor can feel strong, but a squeeze of lemon and a little olive oil makes them bright and mild. These tiny fish bring protein, helpful fats, and even soft, edible bones that offer minerals your muscles use to contract. Mash them on whole grain toast, mix into a salad, or choose the tomato sauce kind if you're easing in. If sardines are a hard no, swap in canned salmon or mackerel and keep going. Add tempeh, fermented soy that's gentle on digestion and packed with complete protein. Steam it for 10 minutes to soften, then pan-sear until golden and season with turmeric and black pepper. Slide thin slices into a sandwich, toss cubes into a stir-fry, or crumble into a quick pasta sauce. Because it's fermented, many people find it sits better than regular beans, and it gives you another easy protein option on days you don't feel like eggs or fish. Quinoa earns a spot because it's a rare plant food with a strong amino acid profile. Rinse it well, toast it dry in the pan for a minute, then add water or broth and simmer. 1 cup cooked makes a great base for bowls. Add veggies, an egg on top, a spoon of yogurt sauce, or leftover lentils. On days when your appetite is light, a small quinoa bowl still delivers meaningful protein without feeling heavy. Finally, keep hemp seeds within reach. Don't cook them, just sprinkle 3 tablespoons on yogurt, oatmeal, soups, or salads. They add easy protein and helpful fats without changing the flavor much. If mornings are busy, blend a quick smoothie with Greek yogurt, a small handful of berries, and a spoon of hemp seeds. Cold, simple, done. Here's how to stitch it all together without thinking too hard. Anchor each day with breakfast protein, 2 whole eggs or 1 cup of Greek yogurt. At lunch or dinner, rotate one of the others: lentils, quinoa, tempeh, or sardines. Add hemp seeds wherever they fit. Most nights, if you can, have a small cup of Greek yogurt before bed to protect your muscles while you sleep. And right before one of your meals, give your muscles a short wake-up signal. 10 slow chair stands or a 1-minute light band row. Food works best when the muscle knows it's needed. A quick word on common roadblocks. Many people try to pack all their protein into one big dinner. After 60, spreading protein across breakfast, lunch, and dinner often works better. Others rely only on broth or tea in the morning. Swapping in eggs or yogurt at breakfast can make the whole day feel steadier. And if taste or budget is a worry, keep it simple. Eggs and lentils alone cover a lot. Add hemp seeds when you can. Swap sardines for canned salmon if you prefer. None of this has to be fancy to be effective. Let's come back to where we started. The chair, the pause, the small moment that felt heavier than it should. Strength doesn't vanish overnight, it slides. The good news is that it can slide back your way with small, steady choices. Try the 20-second chair test today. Write down your number. Choose one food to start tonight, maybe eggs for breakfast or lentils for lunch, and repeat the test in 2 weeks. Before you go, subscribe for Calm. Senior-friendly routines and simple food plans. I read comments and reply with personalized tweaks. This video is educational and not medical advice. If you have kidney disease, are on blood thinners, or have other conditions that affect protein needs, speak with your clinician before changing your diet. You deserve to feel steady on your feet, strong in your day, and confident in your body. Let's take back that first step, one simple meal at a time.